stays on the mast all loose. So it's all a little bit wiggly wobbly up here, especially as it's blowing 25 plus knots. So this is fun. So the tip cup is rotated, pressing hard against the rod here. This will actually break the tip of the rod off, prematurely crack the head off. So what I've got to try and do is figure out how to unwind this tip cup a little bit so that it's more balanced between this side and that side, and normally it will naturally have the ability to float. If someone's done it up too tight and the two sides don't align, so I've got to try and get it balanced so that we're not pressing hard on the tip cup. Here we can see the other side, and the issue that we're pressing on the back side and not the front side like before. So if I rotate this so that it's balanced, that this rotates this way, it makes the situation on the other side worse. And likewise, if I rotate the other side so it's balanced with this, it won't line up. So somebody's had a bit of a cock up here.